Today, Congressman Joe Morelle joined local families and advocates to talk about addressing the child care crisis that's out there. Jatira Marsh joins us now in studio to share those plans. Jatira.
Congressman Morelle says the child care crisis impacts everyone universally, projecting 5,000 child care programs are expected to close when emergency funding ends September 30th. Congressman Morelle says without any immediate action, over 250,000 children could lose their child care programs in New York when funding runs out. He says over $800 million in earnings could be lost from parents who could be forced to quit their jobs because they can't find affordable or reliable child care.
Child care isn't a choice. It's a necessity in our economy.
Keegan Fisher, who is an entrepreneur and mother of 2 young children, says she had to find ways to bring her children to work with her instead of finding child care because it's easier. She adds it's hard for businesses in general to stay afloat when potential workers have children who need to be looked after as well.
You get a new job, but in order to go to that new job, you must find child care. And a lot of people are turning down jobs because they cannot find child care.
Director of Children and Family Stability Services at Ibero, Ida Perez, agrees and shares child care providers' experiences.
We had to close classrooms because we didn't have enough staff to be able to service those kids and do it in a safe way.
Congressman Morelle says without immediate intervention from Congress, funding will run out. He explained what he's now doing to gain support from fellow lawmakers to ensure providers can stay open.
Through my role in the House Appropriations Committee, I've also requested $12.4 billion be invested in the Child Care Development Grant Block Program.
In addition, Congressman Morelle says has co-sponsored the Child Care for Working Families Act, which would increase the number of child care providers by improving workforce compensation and training, and the Child Care for Every Community Act, which would establish universal child care regardless of income. Reporting in the studio, Jatira Marsh, News 8.
All right, Jatira, thank you. We have more information for you over at rochesterfirst.com.